guys, and welcome to Teo Plays.
And today we are going to do something new, something very sciencey, and it is experimentus. And
We are gonna be doing science experiments, and you might be asking why we are in the bathroom. It's like the safest place we can go to because
it's
there
gonna
will be
get
some
very
explosions.
dirty and explodey.
Not real explosions, but like it will not stay in the
Container.
Container. Yeah. We're gonna be starting with
Nuke bomb.
No, no. We're gonna be making hot water become like
Cold water in 10 seconds.
yeah, like something like this.
And we're gonna put it
And,
in this container.
Yeah, and this.
This container.
And the mixture will be bicarbonate.
Sodium
and-
bicarbonate, also
and-
known as
and-
baking soda,
and
citric acid.
citric
The acid
acid.
that comes from lemon, that means citron in French.
And we already made it with ordinary water, and it just
Ordinary water.
it made it like colder.
Yeah.
So we wanted to try it with hot
Yeah.
water if it can
Yeah.
get it back to normal water. So
Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back. We're gonna be doing the mixture. So let's put some bicarbonate.
Yes. Let's put some good chips.
Yeah, I made it by the way. And it's nope. Not very good. Yep. Yeah. Why don't you use the ordinary one? Because it's short.
And this, and I don't know why I put that much. Okay, so
Because you're a bujilukups.
let's put some citric acid.
Citric acid. That
And the
means...
water is so hot that it's still hot right now.
Oh, it's still very hot. I didn't know that.
Because
don't put that much, bro.
Because I forgot to get it out like on time. Okay, so let's put it.
Okay, so let's see what. Let's see what will happen. What?
Okay, so I already know what happened. So.
How many seconds? Now it became cold.
No, not now. Needs like 5 to 10 seconds.
Oh, you told me 2 seconds.
Yeah, but it depends on the quantity of water and the mixture. How much you put?
The mixture
The mixture.
and the mixture.
Okay, so
Still hot?
oh no, I burnt myself with the metal. It's still hot, but no, the water is not hot.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
it still hot?
Like a bit, but less than before.
Yeah, but it depends like on how much you put in it. I didn't put a lot.
Oh, there is some solution under
No, it's just citric acid. It's solid.
Yeah. And let's take
Okay,
some
so
of
just
it.
forget about it. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Next,
Experiment.
we're gonna be doing like something, also with bicarbonate and
Yes.
citric acid. We're gonna
Yes.
be putting them together without water with dish soap and
Yes.
see what happens.
Sure, yes.
We have here some dish soap, and we're gonna put in it.
The solution that we created. Let's see what will happen in our kujibutsis.
Here are some bicarbonate. We're gonna put it. Stop moving. Okay. We're gonna put some bicarbonate in it. It won't do anything new because there is no citric acid.
Yes, and it won't aciditate the solution.
What?
And so the colloids and chromosoids of the solution.
What?
We want to make
Any
let's
noise.
Go inside it.
Okay,
and
so
let's put it. Okay. Now it will explode like my mama. Do it.
okay, then just do it like this, and as you can see, there is some mousse.
Moose.
Mousse.
Yes, there is some muches of a moose.
Yes.
Moose.
And this, if you let it dry, and just put it in like some place.
It will become kryptonite
I
and
know.
and nuke bomb cheese.
And that way you can kill Superman.
Yes.
That is already dead. Rest in peace.
He became alive in Justice League, by the way.
Oh, I didn't watch this one.
Sorry, spoiler.
And then we're gonna be putting it. Oh my gosh. What the? What? Okay, so we're gonna be back in just a second.
Hello